We use a microwave method, but we always make sure that we don't microwave with the slide. So we microwave the solution. We want to agitate it to make sure that it's the solution is all the same temperature, and then we place the slides in it. Otherwise, you sometimes tend to get a reaction at the top of the slide or the bottom of the slide, and it's not even. So again, we preheat these solutions. We usually stain a little darker in the methanamine silver, just like the Verhoffs, because it seems like the gold chloride will clear it up a little bit. And so we want to make sure we have a dark enough reaction. The gold chloride can be reused as long as it doesn't have a brown precipitate in it. We usually use light green as a counter stain. We want to use chemically clean glassware to prevent any precipitates. We talked about the temperature of the solutions. Sometimes this is still an issue, even if, regardless of whether you're using microwave or a water bath. And for some reason, it tends to, the reaction develops at the top of the slide if we're doing vertical staining. So sometimes we will move our tissue a little bit down on the slide to make sure we don't get into that area where it's develops first.